Hello, this is the intro video for week 7, assignment 1. So if you go to week 7 and you click on assignment 1, there are 2 links. The first one is a very short video about the history of the internet. So you would click on it, you're going to click here, it's going to bring you to a Khan Academy. I want to say it's about 5 minutes long about the internet. Now, what I want to show you that is the important part of this is if you see here, it says about, then it says transcript, and then there is a transcript, okay? So this transcript is where you're going to get the answers to the worksheet, okay? So I just took and copied this transcript and you have to fill it in. So now if you go back to assignment or week 7 and then you go to assignment 1 and you go to the assignment, as you can see, it is, what is the internet? The internet is a popular thing, some satellite up there. I picture it in my head. If you look here on the transcript, what is the internet? The internet is a popular thing, some satellites up there. So I would watch it, and then you can use the transcript to answer the questions. And basically what you're going to do, it says, so the internet is just like that. Many, many years ago in the, and then you'll go down here and you figure out which one you want it to be. And you drag it up there. And then you go ahead and answer the next one. You can take this 3 times. So there is no reason. It's not a quiz. It is for you so that I know that you've actually read it and you understand the history of the internet. The other thing I want to just mention is that in assignment 2, you are going to be doing facts about the internet. You'll watch another video, but it'll be facts about the internet. You may use facts from this video also in assignment 2. So you might want to keep this up or open when you do assignment 2. If you have any questions, message me, and if not, have a great